Alright, afternoon guys, and welcome to Cambridge on the West Anglia main line, on the Fen Line, on the Cambridge line. We're going to be seeing services from Thameslink, Great Northern, Greater Anglia and cross country. I'm not really sure where to stand to train spot. I could stand at the London end of platform 7 or the Peterborough end of platform 7, but yeah, there's some really long tracks here. There's platform. There's like this really long platform. I think platform 7 is pretty long, so I had to walk ages to just cross platform. So yeah, let's get started here at Cambridge. Hope you enjoy. This is Cambridge. Okay, to kick things off, we've got a Greater Anglia service to London Liverpool Street from Cambridge North, formed of 720-554. He's got this single yellow and now he's off. Right, 720-554. Nice. Next stop for that is Shalford, I think. Or Shelford. Shalford or Shelford. Which one is it? Let me know. But yeah, that's going to London Liverpool Street. The long way. Nice. Okay, we've got a Class 66 approaching on a freight service. Passing adjacent to this Class 700. Freight line. Is that freight line there? No, GBRF. That is 66792. All of this, nothing on the train really. Got the Thameslink service to Brighton. Lovely, that is 700-139. Which is the train I arrived on. Good stuff. Well, I'm not going to zoom in on that for too long because that's off to Brighton quite slowly. Next stop for that is Royston. Nice. Okay, on the approach to platform 1 is a Great Northern service, pair of Electro Stars from London King's Cross to King's Lynn. That's right, King's Cross to King's Lynn. There's 387102 at the front. I'll tell you the rear working in a minute. Yeah, this Cambridge station, you've got the same platform is numbered twice. So you've got platform 1 and platform 4 on the exact same platform. So the platform numbering here is odd. That's why it has 8 platforms and not 5 or 4 or 5. So yeah, the platform numbering here is odd because that platform 1 and 4 is probably the longest platform I've ever seen. It's a massive single platform. But yeah, we're going to see this this Great Northern service soon. Okay, departing here for King's Lynn. Departing Cambridge for King's Lynn is a pair of Great Northern 387-1s. front unit, but at the rear is 387103. Oh, brilliant track joint sounds as well. Leaving Cambridge. And over there we've got a Great Northern service from Ely to London King's Cross, 387109 at the front.
Don't get stuck on the train. Some of the doors on our concourse shows will not open at certain stations. Please refer to our platform information screens.
Making it all the way to the end, 387109 at the front.
You must buy a valid ticket before you travel on our services.
Hey, over there is a terminating here Greater Anglia service, class 755410, I think. Having to walk quite far because actually it's on the other side. Platform 5 is on the other side of the station. Yep, I'm still on the same platform.
Platform 7 is the 1444
Yeah.
Great Northern service.
So that came from Ipswich, I think. So yeah, that's going to be going to Ipswich soon. Very soon, in fact. Nice. Okay, after a while, the 1444 Great Northern service to London King's Cross is about to leave. Hopefully driver can thrash out. Not sure, but yeah. So 3871 something, forgotten, 387115. Calling at London King's Cross only. Yep. No intermediate stop. Oh, this fence is in the way. Yeah, there we go, you can see it going to the slows. Then it will branch off to go on the Cambridge line, then go on the East Coast Main Line at 110 miles an hour. And then to King's Cross. Nice. Okay, departing Cambridge, over there is a Greater Anglia service to Stansted Airport. Not really sure where it's from. I'm not really sure where it's from. Could be Norwich or Ipswich, I'm not sure. 755401. On electric. Yep. 755401 calling at Whittlesford Parkway, Audley End and Stansted Airport. Good stuff.
Electric Garden City, Kitchen, Stevenage, Thameslink Park, London St Thomas, Barrington, City Thameslink, London Blackfriars, London Bridge, East Croydon, Gatwick Airport, Three Bridges, Hayes, Burgess Hill, and Brighton.
I think I'll leave it there. Nice.
To the 1454.
Okie doke, moving on, we've got a Greater Anglia service from London Liverpool Street to Cambridge North on platform 1. This is a double consist, pair of adventurers coupled together, which is nice to see. Thank you very much. Always see it say sorted if you see something that doesn't look right. Okay, that is at the front, 720 535. Oh, hello, we've got a 720 moving here. 720 549, not sure what that's doing. Probably just moving from Cambridge sidings, turnback sidings. But yeah, this is off to Cambridge North. Nice. But just gonna see this because this is very weird. Do let me know what it's doing if you come to Cambridge and know what this is doing, because I'm not sure what this is doing. There's a Thameslink service that's going to go as well, so Yeah, we'll just leave that to where it's going. I'm not really sure what it's doing, but yeah, okay, that's good. Okay, now departing Cambridge is a Greater Anglia service from London Liverpool Street to Cambridge North.
The next train is platform
5. Lovely. 7:20 535 and 7:20 517. Wow, those track joint sounds sure are amazing. Yeah, that's up to Cambridge North. Not sure how far that is from Cambridge, but yeah, terminating there. Nice. Okay, departing Cambridge, starting here for Brighton is a Desiro City 700 131. Just a reminder, that's the Thameslink service starting here towards Brighton. Next stop is Royston. Shall we have a go at naming all the stations it's stopping at? Alright, let's go. Royston, Ashwell and Malden, Baldock, Litchfield Garden City, Stevenage, Finsbury Park, London St Pancras International, Farringdon, City Thameslink, London Blackfriars, London Bridge, East Croydon, Gatwick Airport, Three Bridges, Balcombe, Haywards Heath, Wivelsfield, Burgess Hill, Preston Park and... No, not Preston Park. Burgess Hill and Brighton. Over there we've got a cross-country service from Stansted Airport to Birmingham New Street. (170 397).
The next train, platform 7, is the 1503 Greater Anglia service to London Liverpool Street. Calling at Whittlesford Parkway, Audley End, Bishop's Salford,
Nice. Okay, slowly approaching its way towards London Liverpool Street is a Greater Anglia service from Cambridge North. 7:20 552, I think. Sorry, that was just a fly on my hand. Sorry, 562, not 552. Just 5 cars, I think. Yeah. Nice, that's got about 6 minutes here. Then it'll be off to London Liverpool Street. Nice. Okay, arriving in on platform 1. 1A, I think. Because platform 1 and platform 4 are shared. It's a Great Northern service from London King's Cross to Ely. So that's at the front 387129.
If you see something that doesn't look right, speak to staff or take the British shop.
And also departing is a Greater Anglia service to London Liverpool Street 7:20 562. Cheers, driver. Didn't know 720s had a whistle like that. Sounded like the Electrostar whistle. Nice. Next stop for that, Whittlesford Parkway. 7:20 562. From Cambridge North to London Liverpool Street. Trying to avoid this fence so I can get a good glimpse of the Aventra. Nice. Okay, ready to depart Cambridge is a pair of 387s on a Great Northern service from London King's Cross to Ely. Track sounds are brilliant. 387 129, 387 112. Wow, listen to that. Really is a joy spotting here at Cambridge. Really is a joy. Next stop for that is Cambridge North, then Walter Beach, then Ely. Nice. Okay. Arriving at Cambridge is another Greater Anglia service from London Liverpool Street to Cambridge North. At the front is 720 573. And it's another pair of 720s. So that is 720 573 and 720 577. Towards Cambridge North. Again, track drawing sounds are beautiful. Nice. Okay, you probably may not see it. Oh yeah, now you can. That is a pair of 387s from Ely. I forgot whether it's Ely or Kings Lynn, to London King's Cross. Loads of people on the platform. It's got 387 126 at the front. Nice. Okay, departing here for London King's Cross is a pair of Great Northern 387s. This is from Ely, actually. That is 387 126 and 387 301. The XC2C at the rear. Nice. Okay, over there is a Greater Anglia class 755. I think that's going from Stansted Airport to Norwich. Is that right? Yeah. Norwich. That is 755, 755 450. Nice. Okay, over there, I think it's going to stop early. It's a pair of oh no, it's not stopping early, it's going all the way. Pair of 720s from Cambridge North to London King's Cross. 720 517 at the front. And we'll see the rear in a minute. Okay, departing Cambridge for London Liverpool Street is a Greater Anglia service. Hopefully driver can give tone. Don't think he will. 720 517 at the front. And 720 535 at the rear. We've also got a Thameslink service arriving from Brighton, terminating here. Brilliant, 720 535 there. And this is 700 135 from Brighton terminating here. Whilst all the way over there, just when the Thameslink service terminates, is the Greater Anglia service from Stansted Airport to Norwich, running under diesel power. No, electric power, and then we'll switch to diesel at Ely, I think. Yeah, nice. Okay, over there you can see a Turbo Star. That is the delayed by 10 minutes cross-country service from Birmingham New Street to Stansted Airport.
It's the 1511 cross-country service to Stansted Airport. Calling at Stansted Airport. This train is
Nice.
formed 3 coaches.
It will be non-stop to Stansted Airport.
Platform 8 for the 1511 cross-country service to Stansted Airport.
Nice.
Final
Okay, departing for London King's Cross, I think.
Thameslink service.
There's a Thameslink service starting here, 700 154.
This is the final call for the 1511 cross-country service to Stansted Airport at night.
You may be wondering why there is a stable Thameslink 700 on platform 3. That Thameslink has broken down. So yeah, you're going to be seeing a Turbo Star leave soon. Okay, departing Cambridge for Stansted Airport is a Turbo Star 170 620. Nice. From Birmingham New Street to Stansted Airport. Next stop, Stansted Airport. Hopefully those passengers have a safe flight. And on that note, I'll be ending that here, guys. Thank you so much for coming along to Trains at Cambridge. Hopefully you enjoyed it. If you did like it, make sure to like and subscribe. It really does help me out a lot. Keeps me motivated to train spot. And if you have any locations that are really good, worth spotting, please do put them in the Premier chat or in the comments. Do join the Discord server, very active, loads of members, 65 last time I checked. But for now, from Cambridge, thanks for watching, guys, and bye bye for now.